So I recently got my first job on Upwork, and here are 5 rules I followed which helped me get it. Number 1, master the skill that you're selling. When you get a job, you must be able to deliver on your promise, because on Upwork, even one negative review or a 2-star review can really look bad on your profile. Number 2, avoid high budget jobs. When you're starting out and have 0 testimonials and 0 job history on Upwork, you should avoid these high paying jobs, because those recruiters, all they're looking for is expertise and experience which you don't have. So go for the smaller ones, a few $100 in budget or lower than that. Number 3, personalize. When you apply for a job, make it as personalized as possible. Don't start with just hey. Instead, start with hey Rob or hey John, whatever the name is. How you will find the name? Just scroll the job posting, and in the comments and feedback section, many freelancers use the name, mention the name, so use that. Number 4, quantity. Send out as many proposals you can. Just maximize it. Yes, it will cost some connects, but you'll have to shed a bit of money over here. And lastly, quality. Don't go begging for the job, or don't start bragging about the degrees you have. Instead, in short, tell them how hiring you will boost their results or directly benefit them in the shortest amount of time possible. That's how I got my first Upwork job, and if you follow this, you can get it too.